welcome back to Rice Squad. We are working on the Eclipse today. So we already pulled a bunch of stuff off, but I forgot that we didn't do an intro. So
you started pulling stuff off before we made an intro for it.
So you'll see that, but we're about to pull all the hoses off and whatnot and start labeling shit. So there we go. I forgot. Can't end it from. Hello guys, this is Rice Squad. We got Miss Roxy and Mr. Thunder right there. We're about to drain the coolant out my Eclipse. So far we just did the suspension on each side, as you guys will see. Yeah, so we're about to drain all the fluids. So today we're pulling all the wiring, taping it off so we know where it goes.
Yep.
And now we're about to pull the subframe.
And drop the engine and trains.
That's what's next.
And we have the
Fun
puppers outside.
Oh yeah, we got Thunder and Roxy outside. Chilling, sunbathing, probably chewing on a stick.
picked it up from the chain right here with the cherry picker. Then we all have enough room. What do you think, Joe?
I don't know, man. I wish we had a bigger garage with a lift.
This
What do you think, DJ?
Yeah, we should.
I like my idea. I think we should try.
What's your idea again?
Didn't even fully tried mine, to be honest with you.
Nut, bolt, chain, and just put mark right here to them.
Done what?
What do you use the cherry picker?
To lift the car?
Yep.
Alright, fuck it.
Ain't over.